Today we will be testing the SuperTrend any indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperTrend any indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 872 indicators, with 365 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 60 of the winning indicators. 24 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the SuperTrend any indicator. We tested this one in the last video, and in that last video I explained that this is basically the SuperTrend, but it's drawing its source from another indicator, hence the SuperTrend any indicator name there. Now it is a little bit deceiving because you cannot SuperTrend any indicator. It has its default indicators here that you can choose from, and only those ones apparently that you can choose from. In the last video we did the RSI. In this video we're going to do the MFI, which is the money flow index, and so we have switched that. Everything else has stayed the same. Now, as you could probably guess, the SuperTrend indicator gives these pretty clear buy and sell signals, again just like the last video that we did, and those are going to be our entry points. So when we get a sell signal, a red sell signal like this here, that is going to be a signal to go short. When we get a green buy signal like this one right here, that is going to be a signal to go long. So pretty simple, again just like we did in the last video. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see that we get that green buy tag right here on this one, and you can see that we get a little bit of a push to the upside there. It is enough to come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. right, the next signal that we pick up is a sell signal. Crunch this down just a little bit there. You can see that we get that red sell tag right there. And again, you can see that we get a pretty decent move to the downside there. That one also is enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal is a buy signal. Again, we get that green buy tag right there. And again, we get another nice push to the upside there. That one is enough to get us to our take profit as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal is a sell signal right here. We get that red sell tag. Unfortunately, it's right as we were hitting the bottom of this move right here. And you can see that we glance off this area and make a really heavy push to the upside there. And so that one is going to stop us out. Looks like we're really close to the end of the year. Let's go ahead and finish this off. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here in all these free channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even where he is looking to enter a trade. And he is constantly giving some really great, awesome advice to everybody, showing really how to mark up a chart using price action, kind of pattern setups, wedges, support and resistance, all kinds of great stuff. Our newest admin here is Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping people out on indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has created himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really, really great indicators. He really goes above and beyond to make sure that he's constantly updating the indicators, looking at new ways to improve the indicators, and just in general helping people, giving them on advice on how to use his indicators as well as other indicators as well, not just his own. Very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators. And just all around, it's a great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and just really uplifting each other and helping everybody become better traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicators. So we got one more trade than we did in the last video. In the last video, we got 3 trades altogether, if I remember right. You can see that we obviously have the 4 trades, and out of those 4 trades, we have 3 winning trades. And so that is going to increase the win rate and the number of trades from the last video that we did. And so all in all, a little bit of an improvement here. It does seem like this indicator did a little bit better at getting us in our entries. Now that could just be a coincidence. Maybe these moves or this pair allowed the indicator to react a little bit quicker, or maybe price just moves a little bit longer. I'm not really sure. You can see here that we did get this signal pretty much right at the top of that move, and obviously this one right at the bottom of this move. These two though, we got in at a pretty reasonable time. The last way that we tested it seemed to be right at the end of each trend shift. And so, like I said, it seems to be an improvement. Definitely give us more trades. So all in all, very interesting. Not sure if we'll do another test of this one in the next video. Like I said, I think we'll go ahead and eventually run through each of these here, but I don't want to just keep doing a video on this particular indicator day after day after day after day. And so we might end up splitting this up a little bit from here. And so this one is going to stay on the yes list, and we will continue on to the next video from here.